Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find text and media settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here you will find text and media. As you see, click on it, and here as you see you can manage your text and media settings, easy and quick. That's it. That's how to find text and media settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.